Big arms matter. This is because you look more attractive in your shirts, it signals to others you can handle yourself, and you just look the part. You look like you take care of yourself. Having big arms just works wonders for a guy's confidence, and today I'm going to show you how to get those bigger, muscular, vascular arms, or at least that they look that way. If that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. The first two are going to be exercises that you can do to make your arms look bigger. Now, there are various and tons of exercises that you can do, but these are just a synopsis. The first one, and one of my favorite ones, is a seated dumbbell curl. Mainly because it really isolates your biceps, and if you control the movement on the way down, you won't be doing any excessive swinging like you would when you're standing up. I also like this exercise because your bicep has two heads, a long head and a short head, and majority of the mass of the bicep is within that long head. And this exercise really targets it. This is because your shoulder is stretching your arm behind you, which stretches and targets that long head of your bicep. The second exercise that I like are tricep pushdown. While the long head of your bicep is super important, the triceps are even more important. These three heads complete the largest percentage of mass within your arm. So if you want arms that fill in the t-shirt sleeve, make sure you hit your triceps. Those are the exercises that you can do to build bigger arms. And like I said, there's countless more that you can do, but those are my two favorite ones. Now let's move on to the hacks. Number one, trim your arm hair. If you have hairy arms, you're gonna need to trim down your hair to really expose those new gains in that vascularity. In other words, you're gonna have to manscape. Why do you think all these bodybuilders don't have any hair on their bodies? Because the easiest hack and the fastest way for you to look more muscular and more shredded is to remove the hair. So if you look like Sasquatch, you're gonna have to manscape. And the easiest way to do that is with the Manscaped Lawnmower 2.0. This little tool is my favorite tool when it comes to manscaping because, well, it's so portable and it's easy to maneuver. And the bicep and arm region, well, it's not an even surface that can easily be targeted. So to really hit all the crevices and indents of your bicep, arm, and forearm, a small little trimmer like this is perfect for it because it allows you to really get to all those areas and get an even trim job and make your arms look more attractive. Well, Manscaped is the company that finally started producing grooming tools for guys when it comes to manscaping. No other company was doing this, which is why I love him so much and why I recommend him to you guys all the time. Because if you are manscaping and you've been struggling for years, you need to try out this company. Moreover, you need to try out this trimmer because I guarantee you it's gonna change your life. You're gonna be amazed by just how much easier it is to trim with this little guy. And what Manscaped does that is really cool that I've never seen any other trimmer do is that they send you replaceable heads. So every 3 months, if you sign up to their subscription, they'll ship you replaceable trimmer heads. That way you can remove that ceramic trimmer head, put on a new one, and now you have a brand new, hygienic, super sharp trimmer head to keep your trimmer fresh and your manscaping a breeze. Now, if you guys want to check out Manscaped and see just how amazing they are, they're running an amazing offer right now, which I'm going to have linked down below, where they're going to be offering you 20% off, free shipping, and a free DOP kit. This DOP kit costs $40 on their site. I use it all the time when I'm traveling to put all my grooming gear in there, and they're gonna give it to you for free. It's made out of leather, super high quality, and it's $40. That's amazing. Now, this deal is valid for their bundle kit, which I absolutely love, which comes with that Lawnmower 2.0, as well as other grooming products that you should definitely check out, like their crop preserver that you use on your balls to remove chafing and make sure that area remains fresh and smelling good. The amount of products these guys have that are specifically made for men is amazing, and it's truly amazing that, well, they're hooking us up and making sure we're always looking good. So if you guys want to check it out and check out Manscaped, they're going to be linked down below, and do your arms a favor and remove all that hair. The fourth trick you're going to want to do to make your arms look bigger: drink more water. Our muscles are made of 70 to 80% of water. When you don't drink enough water, you're just dehydrating your muscles, which will just make them look small and flat. Think of your muscles like balloons and the air inside like the water. Without air or water, your muscles will just look deflated. So on average, aim to drink anywhere from 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. Number 5, this is another bodybuilding hack: tan. The easiest way for you to look more defined and more shredded and more muscular is to tan. This is why, again, all these bodybuilders, before they step on stage, they always do these excessive spray tans because it really highlights and adds contrast to all the different crevices and striations within your muscles. So even if you're not super shredded, looking a little darker will always make you look more muscular. So hit the beach, hit the pool, or you can even use moisturizers that have light tans in them that will make your skin look a little darker and you overall more muscular. And finally, number 6, make sure your shirt fits. You can only make your arms fit that t-shirt so much. If that t-shirt does not fit properly, doesn't matter how many of these hacks you do, it's not gonna look good. For example, if I put on a shirt that's an extra large, who am I kidding? I know my biceps aren't that big. So instead, depending on the brand, I'll use a medium or a large that instantly hugs my biceps and makes them look bigger. So if you're having a problem with not filling in t-shirts, try to size down more. And that's basically it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Manscaped. If you guys want to check them out, they're going to be linked down below with that special code. That's it for me today. See you next time.